In this video, I'll show you how to make a delicious lasagna. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Okay, let's start off by making the meat sauce. Start by adding olive oil to a pan and heat the pan on medium heat. Add the meat and the sausage and cook until it's brown. Now add the rest of the ingredients to the sauce. Stir all the ingredients together, lower the heat to simmer and cover. Let the sauce simmer for at least a half an hour while you do the rest of the prep work. Now it's time to prep the cheese and finish the sauce. Place the ricotta into a large bowl along with 1 egg. Add some of the ricotta and Parmesan, not all of it. We'll need more of it later. Add a couple good pinches of Italian seasoning and basil. Mix all this together. Now we're ready to build. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Now grab the pan that you're going to cook the lasagna in. Put enough sauce to cover the bottom of the pan. This helps the noodles to not stick. Now place the noodles on top of the sauce just to cover, slightly overlapping. Then spread 1/3 of the cheese mixture over the noodles. Now you'll put more sauce over the cheese and then more noodles, then more cheese, then sauce again, and you'll repeat this basically 3 times. For the 4th and final level, lay down your cheese mixture on top with the rest of the sauce. Now sprinkle more of the Parmesan and mozzarella on top. Put it in the oven and bake it at 375 for 40 minutes. If you're using a metal pan, check after about 30 and make sure it's not too dark. If it starts to get dark on top, just pull it out. Once it's done baking, pull it out and let it rest for a few minutes before cutting into it. Otherwise, it'll just fall apart. It'll be a big giant mess. Congratulations, you now know how to make lasagna. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.